Are you looking for the best mini tablet for streaming, gaming, reading, travel, note-taking, or everyday productivity? A good compact tablet should offer smooth performance, a sharp display, long battery life, lightweight portability, and enough storage for your favorite apps and media. In this video, we've selected the 5 best mini tablets of 2026 based on display quality, processor performance, battery life, portability, storage, software features, connectivity, and overall value. Whether you need an affordable entertainment tablet, a compact Android gaming device, or a powerful premium model for creative work, there's an excellent option on this list. Stay tuned until the end to discover which mini tablet earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. Amazon Fire HD8 Tablet. Starting our list at number 5 is the Amazon Fire HD8, a compact and affordable tablet designed for streaming, reading, casual gaming, browsing, and video calls. Its lightweight design makes it convenient for entertainment at home or while traveling. The tablet features an 8-inch 1280 by 800 IPS display, a 2.0 GHz hexa-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of internal storage. A microSD card can expand storage by up to 1 TB, providing plenty of room for downloaded movies, books, games, and other content. Battery life reaches up to 13 hours depending on usage. It also includes a 5-megapixel rear camera, a 2-megapixel front camera, stereo speakers, a headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.2, and Alexa support. However, apps must be downloaded through Amazon's App Store because Google Play is not officially supported. Pros: compact and lightweight design, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, expandable storage up to 1 TB, up to 13 hours of battery life, USB-C charging and headphone jack, Alexa and Zoom support, affordable for everyday entertainment. Cons: Google Play Store is not supported, included 5-watt charger is relatively slow, no Wi-Fi 6 support, only a 90-day limited warranty. Overall, the Amazon Fire HD8 offers dependable entertainment features, long battery life, and expandable storage at an accessible price, making it our number 5 pick for the best budget tablets of 2026. Number 4. ALLDOCUBE iPlay 60 Mini Turbo Tablet. Coming in at number 4 is the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 60 Mini Turbo, a compact Android tablet designed for entertainment, light gaming, reading, and everyday multitasking. Its lightweight 323-gram body and 8.4-inch display make it easy to carry while traveling or commuting. The tablet uses a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor with an Adreno 710 GPU paired with 8 GB of physical RAM and an additional 8 GB of virtual memory. It includes 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, providing faster app loading and file transfers. Storage expansion is advertised as up to 1 TB, although the product information also lists a maximum supported flash memory size of 512 GB. Its 1920 by 1200 IPS display supports Widevine L1 for HD streaming and can decode 4K video, although the built-in screen itself is not 4K. Dual speakers improve entertainment audio, while a 6-axis gyroscope supports compatible games. The 5500 mAh battery supports 18-watt PD charging, but the faster charger must be purchased separately. Pros: Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, 8 GB physical RAM plus virtual memory, fast 128 GB UFS 3.1 storage, sharp 8.4-inch Full HD display, Widevine L1 for HD streaming, dual speakers and 6-axis gyroscope, USB 3.1 Type-C with external display support, lightweight and portable design, 13-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front cameras. Cons: no cellular connection, GPS, fingerprint reader, or facial recognition, no traditional 3.5mm headphone jack, faster 18-watt charger is sold separately, storage expansion limit is inconsistent in the listing. Overall, the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 60 Mini Turbo offers strong performance, a sharp compact display, and fast storage at a budget-friendly level. Its portable design makes it our number 4 pick for the best budget tablets of 2026. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Taking the number 3 spot is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, a compact Android tablet designed for streaming, browsing, reading, video calls, and everyday entertainment. Its 8.7-inch display supports a smoother 90 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and basic animations feel more responsive. The tablet is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. A microSD card can expand storage up to 2 TB, providing plenty of room for apps, videos, photos, and documents. It runs Android 15 with One UI 7 and is advertised to receive up to 5 major Android upgrades. A 5100 mAh battery supports everyday portable use, while the included 20-watt charging cube helps reduce charging time. Other useful features include dual speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, an 8-megapixel rear camera, and a 5-megapixel front camera. Pros: smooth 90 Hz display, efficient Helio G99 processor, expandable storage up to 2 TB, Android 15 with long-term upgrade support, dual speakers and headphone jack, includes a 20-watt fast charger, front and rear cameras, Bluetooth 5.3 and GPS support. Cons: display resolution is only 1340 by 800, Wi-Fi only model with no SIM card slot, international model has no domestic warranty, listing inconsistently mentions 128 GB, 8 GB RAM, and 4G connectivity. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 offers smooth everyday performance, expandable storage, and strong software support in a compact design, making it our number 3 pick for the best budget tablets of 2026.
Number 2. Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 3 Gaming Tablet.
Taking the number 2 spot is the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 3, a compact, performance-focused Android tablet designed for gaming, streaming, and demanding apps. Its 8.8-inch size makes it more portable than many full-size gaming tablets while still offering flagship-level hardware. The tablet is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of fast UFS 4.0 storage. This combination provides strong performance for multitasking and graphically demanding games. Its 2560 by 1600 LTPS display offers a smooth 165Hz refresh rate and up to 500 nits of brightness, helping games and videos look sharp and responsive. It runs Android 14 and supports Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. The listed battery capacity is 45 watt-hours, although the product information also states 12,162 mAh and an average battery life of only 4 hours. The listed item weight of 1.31 kilograms also appears unusually high for an 8.8-inch tablet, so these specifications should be confirmed before buying. Pros: powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 12 GB LPDDR5X RAM, fast 256 GB UFS 4.0 storage, sharp 2.5K display, extremely smooth 165Hz refresh rate, compact 8.8-inch gaming design, Wi-Fi 6 support, 1-year warranty. Cons: no expandable storage is mentioned, listed battery life is only 4 hours, battery and weight specifications may be inconsistent, more performance-focused than a typical low-cost tablet. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 3 delivers excellent gaming performance, a fast display, and flagship-level hardware in a compact body. Its powerful specifications make it our number 2 pick for the best budget tablets of 2026. Number 1. Apple iPad Mini with A17 Pro. Taking the number 1 spot is the Apple iPad Mini, a compact but powerful tablet designed for gaming, note-taking, reading, photo editing, video calls, and everyday productivity. Its lightweight body and 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display makes it easy to carry without sacrificing performance. The A17 Pro chip combines a 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine for demanding apps, multitasking, and graphically demanding games. The display offers a sharp 2266 by 1488 resolution, P3 wide color, True Tone, 500 nit brightness, and support for Apple Pencil Pro and Apple Pencil USB-C. This Wi-Fi model includes 128 GB of storage, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, Touch ID, stereo speakers, and USB-C connectivity. The 12-megapixel rear camera can record 4K video at up to 60 FPS, while the 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera supports center stage for video calls. A 20-watt USB-C power adapter is included. Pros: powerful A17 Pro processor, sharp 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display, compact and lightweight design, Apple Pencil Pro support, Wi-Fi 6E and fast USB-C connectivity, 12-megapixel front and rear cameras, Touch ID and all-day battery life, includes a 20-watt charger. Cons: Apple Pencil and Smart Folio are sold separately, no microSD storage expansion, more expensive than typical budget tablets, Wi-Fi model does not include cellular connectivity. Overall, the Apple iPad Mini delivers premium performance, excellent portability, and long-term versatility. Its powerful hardware and polished tablet experience makes it our number 1 pick for the best budget tablets of 2026.